The streets are bustling with people, cars honking, vendors shouting. In the middle of all this chaos, a young boy, Slim, 10, barefoot and covered in dirt, sits by the corner of a bakery, watching people buy food while his stomach growls. Slim looks at a loaf of bread in the baker's hand. His eyes are sharp, calculating. His fingers twitch. He's done this before. He stands up, slowly stepping forward. A man drops a coin near him. Slim glances at it, but ignores it. His eyes remain fixed on the bread. Slim moves like a shadow, quick, precise. He snatches the loaf and runs.
Shouts, pointing at him.